Good morning. Bogdan Khmelnytsky, 1648. In history courses, as we know, traditionally there were too many dates. Try to avoid too many dates here. 1648, remember. It begins a period of upheaval in Ukrainian lands, and key to that is this person named Bogdan Khmelnytsky, who is clearly the central figure in Ukrainian history, certainly during the 17th century. And he has also been considered by many writers as the most important leader in all of modern Ukrainian history. On the one hand, it was during his tenure of less than a decade as hetman or supreme ruler or leader of the Zaporozhian Cossacks between 1648 and 1657. It was during that decade that the Cossacks themselves, together with half of Ukraine's territory, changed their allegiance from Poland to Muscovy. From Poland to Muscovy. Now, with hindsight, we now know that Khmelnytsky's uprising of 1648 turned out to be the beginning of a period that was to result, or I should say, the beginning of a process that was to result in the gradual acquisition by Muscovy and the Ottoman Empire of Ukrainian territory from Poland, Poland-Lithuanian Commonwealth, until the final disappearance of that Commonwealth from the map of Europe during the second half of the 18th century. And so this is when this begins, 1648, hence so important. Even more important for Ukrainian history was the fact that Khmelnytsky succeeded in bringing most of present-day Ukraine under Cossack rule, and in ruling a large part of that area as if it were an independent state. And as a result, Khmelnytsky's Cossack state provided an inexhaustible source of inspiration for future generations of Ukrainians, many of whom later were striving to restore what they considered to be the independence of Ukraine under Khmelnytsky.